Hajj 2022 Part 1. Hey, my name is Hassan and I welcome you to my channel. In this video, I will take you on a journey through the highlights of our unforgettable Hajj pilgrimage. This video isn't just a typical vlog. It's a detailed recount of my personal experiences during Hajj, filled with insights and practical tips. Whether you are planning to perform Hajj in the near future or considering a visit to the holy places for Umrah, this video will be informative and helpful for you. I will cover everything from our departure to our arrival, the accommodations, and the significant sites we visited. Let's begin with our departure from Islamabad to Medina. The flight took approximately 5 hours and 15 minutes. Upon landing at Madina Airport, we were transported to our hotel via buses. We didn't have to worry about our luggage as it was delivered to our hotel rooms a few hours later through a courier service. We were part of the government Hajj package, so we stayed at Jawarat al-Rashid, a decent hotel equipped with a fridge, air conditioning, and a television in each room. The best part was its proximity to Mosque of Prophet Muhammad, just a 10-minute walk away. Along the route, we passed two significant mosques, Mosque Abu Bakr Siddiq and Mosque al-Gamama. I'll share more about these two mosques later in the video. In June, the weather in Madina is extremely hot with constant hot winds and intense sunlight. To protect ourselves, we relied on sunglasses and scarves. This is Mosque Abu Bakr Siddiq. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, used to lead the Eid prayers in this mosque. After his passing, Hazrat Abu Bakr Siddiq continued this tradition, which is why the mosque was named in his honor. This is Mosque of al-Gamama. It is said that Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, led the Eid prayers in this mosque for 4 years. Additionally, during a period of water shortage in Madina, the Prophet led a special prayer known as the rain request prayer. This led to the mosque being named al-Gamama, which means cloud in Arabic. After arriving in Medina, every Muslim yearns to visit the resting place of Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. However, to enter this sacred site, one must book an appointment through an app called Nusuk. Each appointment lasts for 30 minutes, during which you can offer nawafil prayers in Riyadh al-Jannah and pay your respects at the Prophet's resting place. This is Riyadh al-Jannah, which translates to one of the gardens of paradise. This sacred area holds immense significance in Islamic tradition. It is believed that prayers offered in this blessed space are never rejected by Allah. In fact, it is said that one prayer offered here is equivalent to 1,000 prayers elsewhere. Such is the divine sanctity of this place, where the faithful come to seek spiritual solace and blessings beyond measure.
اللهم صل وسلم على رسول الله وصل وسلم على رسول الله.
In this picture, you can see the Qurans placed inside Prophet Muhammad's mosque. While some people donate Qurans here, only those approved by the ministry are kept. The top 2 Qurans in the picture are different and, therefore, will be removed by the management and sent to other mosques. If you wish to donate a Quran, be sure to ask the shopkeeper for one that is approved and can be kept in the mosque. This ensures that your donation meets the requirements and remains in this sacred place. If you want to do some shopping in Medina, you'll find that the shopping malls near Prophet Muhammad's mosque are a bit expensive. However, if you venture a little further, you'll discover good and reasonably priced shops. One of the most famous Saudi fast food brand, al-Bake, is also conveniently located. It's only a 15 to 20-minute walk from the Prophet's mosque, making it an accessible option for a quick and delicious meal. Medina is home to numerous historical sites that hold deep significance in Islamic history. I'll cover some of these important locations, providing insights and details about each one. This is Quba Mosque, the first mosque of Islam. On the day Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, migrated from Makkah to Medina, he laid the first stone of this mosque. The Prophet waited here for 14 days for Hazrat Ali and offered Qasr prayers during this period. This is Masjid al-Qiblatayn, the mosque where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, received the divine revelation to change the direction of the Qibla during Salah. Originally, Muslims faced Al-Aqsa Mosque while praying. However, upon receiving this revelation, the Prophet changed his direction towards the Kaaba in Makkah. This place is known as Saba Masajid, which translates to the 7 mosques. It is named so because it consists of 7 small mosques. Masjid al-Fateh, or the Mosque of Victory, is where Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, camped and prayed for victory during the Battle of the Trench. His place is named after Hazrat Salman al-Farsi, who suggested digging the trench during the Battle of the Trench. This mosque is named after Ali bin Abu Talib, and it is believed that his camp was located here during the Battle of the Trench. So, these were just a few highlights of the historical sites we had the opportunity to visit during our stay in Medina. After completing 40 prayers in the Prophet's mosque, we embarked on our journey towards Makkah, where we were to perform our Hajj. If you're interested in witnessing our Hajj journey, be sure to catch part 2 of our video series and subscribe to our channel.